Fresh tomatoes in the summertime shine in this easy bruschetta recipe. You're gonna love how simple this is. Let me show you how. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making a fresh and delicious bruschetta. You might have called it bruschetta, might call it bruschetta. Whatever you call it, this is the ultimate appetizer or summertime treat. We love to whip it up with fresh tomatoes. It is so simple, but so flavor packed. You're gonna make this all the time. So to start your bruschetta, we're going to need some fresh Roma tomatoes. I have also used just like garden fresh beefsteak tomatoes. So really any tomato that you have, as long as it's not gonna be like super watery, because that will make your bread soggy. You also need some onion. I like to use red onion, and capers, garlic, salt, pepper, and olive oil. So to start, I'm just gonna show you how to cut your tomato. And so we're just gonna slice this in half. And to make sure that your bruschetta is not watered down, we're going to scoop out the seeds. This one is a little less ripe than I like. I like to use tomatoes that are like super tender, but you get the idea. So you just want to scoop out the seeds, scoop them all out, and then we'll scoop that to the side. To cut it, you want to just cut off that core end, the stem end, and then instead of cutting a tomato this way, which can cause your knife to slide all over the place, we cut it like I would do a bell pepper also, and cut it on the inside. And that's going to make it easier to dice up, so you don't have that stubborn skin, and then just dice it up. All right, make sure the skin end is cut through, and then pop these into the bowl. Now to make the topping for your bruschetta, we're just going to put everything in the bowl and toss it together. You can do this step in advance, and I actually highly recommend you doing it in advance because it really gives the flavors a chance to meld together. I sometimes even throw chopped Kalamata olives in here. It is amazing, so give that a try sometime. If you want to toast your bread, you can do it two ways. You can arrange your crostini slices, which is just like French bread, thinly sliced. You can also do bigger slices of Italian bread. Put them on a baking sheet, brush them lightly with olive oil, and toast them in the oven, or brush them with olive oil and toast them on your grill top. They take about a minute, so like 30 seconds each side on a searing hot grill, and you're gonna get these beautiful, beautiful grill marks. So to make the topping, we're just gonna add the capers and the onion and the garlic to the bowl, the olive oil, and a little bit of salt and pepper. The salt is going to draw out some of the juices from your tomatoes and just make them amazing and delicious. So simple. If you're not a fan of capers, you can leave them out, but the salty, briny flavor from a caper just makes this taste even better. All right, and that is it. So now we're just gonna top our toast with a little bit of this tomato topping. And you can even serve this with the toast just on a platter and a big bowl of your tomato salad, and people can serve themselves. And then you don't have to worry about your toast getting soggy. There we go. And then to top it off, we're just gonna do some freshly chopped basil and just sprinkle that over top. And if you want to get even fancier, if you have a balsamic reduction that you love, you can definitely drizzle that over top as well. It's so easy and so fantastic. It is a great party appetizer because you can make a ton of them. So we'll just top that. And there you go. There's your bruschetta or bruschetta. It's so easy. I'm gonna take a little bite of this, make sure it's not terrible. Nope, it is summertime on a piece of toast. So, so delicious. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.